On the house and Carey Bros Pros on the road again. It's the International Builders Show, Kitchen Bath Industry Show 2019. We are in Las Vegas, Nevada, having a look at the latest and greatest in building products and technology here at the Delaney booth. It's Delaney Smart Hardware. No, it's Delaney Bath Hardware. No? Well, let me see if I get this right. It's Delaney Barndoor Hardware. No? Maybe it's Delaney Decorative Interior Door Hardware. Or maybe Libby Zappala with Delaney will tell us that it's all of that. Hi, Libby.
How are you?
Am I half right?
I think you got it all right. Yeah, all right.
We can say with great confidence then that you're not a one-trick pony.
No, we're not. We're one stop.
That you're really providing solutions for folks like the Carey brothers who are pros trying to help homeowners complete their dream building project or remodel, and to offer really great product for consumers who want that eye candy that has real value. Tell us a little bit about this.
So we've introduced a Smartlock. It actually has 3 modes of operation. We have a keypad lock, traditional key, but now with the Smart Home app. So you can open it really from anywhere. As long as you have Wi-Fi in your home, you're able to unlock it with your smart lock.
Can I control my Delaney smart lock that's on the other side of the country?
As long as you have internet in your home, Wi-Fi in your home, you're good to go.
That's awesome. That's awesome. So it'll automatically engage the lock.
It will. It'll engage on your app. You'll be able to see if the lock is open or unlocked or locked. You can check it. Our hub is a camera. So
I'm dying to know about
better
this.
Than that, you can look into your phone and you can see your front door. You can do video clips of it. You can communicate through it. So if you want to see if your child comes in off the bus, if you want to check on your dog to be sure it's behaving.
Well, that's a must for my wife.
Yes.
Forget the kids. It's all about the dogs.
You can keep up with the dogs.
Yeah,
absolutely.
So, might I have more than one of these?
You might. Yes, you could put them in multiple rooms. You can link.
Battery operated or hardwire?
Battery.
And Wi-Fi is essential, and that's it.
Yes, Wi-Fi in your home.
Too easy.
Yeah.
That's just set it down and,
That's it.
And I imagine that I could mount that somewhere to a wall or a ceiling if I wanted to, because it looks like it has a swivel mount.
Yes, it is.
How about that?
Point it where you want.
Okay.
Yeah.
We talked about not being a one-trick pony, so there's more to see. Where are we going next?
Let's go to Barndoor.
Barndoor it is. I have to tell you, I've been coming to these builder shows for, I'm not going to tell you, but a long time. And I think one of the hottest trends that we're seeing is barn doors. Everybody loves barn doors, and certainly we're integrating them into our projects, primarily because of consumer demand. Tell us about how you're addressing barn doors and their beauty.
So besides having a variety of styles, we've added contemporary series, we've added new finishes, really trying to keep up with designer trends, matching to our hardware. We beyond door hardware and bath accessories, barn door has just become almost as common for a designer to ask for. It's fantastic.
And sometimes less is more, and you've addressed less by creating a mini barn door hardware system, yes?
Yeah, absolutely. It can be used on cabinets, can be used to hide entertainment systems. We've had somebody tell us they put it on their kitchen cabinet so their dog could have a storage place, their own little home behind. So it's really versatile. We're finding it good in all applications.
We find that a lot of our customers in the remodeling business are choosing to give the interior of their home a new look for a modest investment. And maybe they'll do a fresh coat of paint, and maybe they'll install some new light fixtures, and invariably one of the things they'll do is change door hardware. Not only for appearance, but for ease of access, especially for aging baby boomers, and for folks who want a different style. Let's take a look at some interior door hardware solutions.
Absolutely.
From electronic entry door hardware to beautiful barn door hardware, and now to just stunning interior door hardware. Libby, this takes me back to the home that my grandfather built at the turn of the century, which was filled with jeweled hardware. Do you see it? Do you see that trend getting legs?
We see a quality trend where people are wanting something more substantial. They want to feel the quality when they open the door. They want to know that it's solid. And then adding the crystal is just like you say, it takes you back. It's beautiful, the new finishes that we have with the matte black, which is very popular in all our hardware, and satin brass, which really has such a classic look to it.
Yeah, the traditional chrome, just absolutely polished brass, just an absolutely beautiful selection of styles and finishes that I think speak to virtually anything that anyone could want in their home.
You really feel the quality. It's a nice spring action, so it feels good in your hand. The ease of operation is fantastic. We've got entrance hardware. This hardware in particular is nice. It's a one action to throw the deadbolts. So
I love that. I just
for some of us who don't want to work so hard,
right,
it's wonderful.
Exactly.
But all the matching styles and finishes in exterior and interior hardware, all solid brass.
An entirely new look.
Yeah.
Durability. It's all about value, value, value. I mean, there's so much in appearance, but boy, for something that gets a lot of I mean, what else?
Absolutely.
Maybe your kitchen faucet, a few other components in the house, but when it comes to door hardware, there are a few things in a home that can take a licking.
It's a functional, but it does add such a beauty to the home as well.
All right, shall we round things out with bath accessories?
Bath accessories, let's do it.
To the bath we go.
All right, off.
As a pro remodeler, one of the things we try to do is make the remodeling process less daunting for busy consumers. So when we can show them a host of products that they can use in the remodel in one location, it makes it easier. Or products that tie together in style and finish. And you're doing that with door hardware and barn door hardware, and now with bath accessories. Tell us about it.
We've actually added bath accessories now to match all of our styles. So we have traditional, we have contemporary, we've got transitional. So really for any style, but also in the matching finishes. So with our black, with our satin brass finish tying into our hardware, you really can settle whether you're contemporary look or a farmhouse style, which is so popular, coastal appearance, we've got it.
It's just lovely, and it's so exciting. I mean, it's just it's nice to see quality product with a great finish that's durable, that is not only attractive but adds value. How can our pro audience and folks across the country get more information on Delaney products?
We'd love for them to visit our website. It's DelaneyHardware.com, and they'll find all our products there.
That's a wrap. Live from the Delaney exhibit at the International Builders Show Kitchen Bath Industry Show in Las Vegas 2019. Thanks for joining us.